Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to create and join a private server with your friends in Roblox Brookhaven RP. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to charts. From charts you can either just look for Brookhaven RP under Tap Playing Now, or you can just simply go to the search bar and just type it in, Brookhaven RP. But anyways, once you do find the game, you can go ahead and click on into it, click on the double player icon right here, and then go ahead and make your way over to create private server. Now from the create private server, you will need to purchase a private server for about 100 Robux. But anyways, once you do purchase it, it will pop up here, and if it doesn't, you can go ahead and click on refresh. But it will pop up here. You can go ahead and join in, and then you can go ahead and bring out the menu by either clicking escape on keyboard or the options button on controller, and then you can go ahead and invite your friends from there. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.